14 मार्च 2026 को सेल टू राइज की दोनों को फाउंडर एकता सहगल एवं डॉक्टर मोनिका गोयल दीवान के द्वारा नोएडा के शिरोज कैफे में पावर ऑफ आई नाम का एक वर्कशॉप आयोजित किया गया। मानस वेल्थ की फाउंडर एवं सीईओ एकता सहगल पिछले 25 सालों से वित्त प्रबंधन मेंटोर के तौर पर कार्य कर रही हैं। नमो कंसल्टिंग सर्विसेज की सीईओ डॉक्टर मोनिका गोयल दीवान एचआर सलाहकार होने के साथ ही एनएलपी एवं लीडरशिप कोच भी हैं। मोनिका को लगभग 26 वर्ष का कार्यानुभव है। लगभग 20 महिला शक्तियों ने इस वर्कशॉप में बीआरएच चढ़कर हिस्सा लिया। इस वर्कशॉप में विभिन्न प्रकार की गतिविधियों के जरिए सहभागियों की अंदरूनी हिचक को खोलते हुए उनके भीतर की महत्वाकांक्षा, छिपे हुए डर, जीवन में चल रहे संघर्षों के बारे में खुलकर बोलने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया गया। मोनिका गोयल दीवान, स्मिता गुप्ता, स्वाति मिश्रा एवं इला पचौरी ने अपने व्यक्तिगत और व्यावसायिक अनुभव के बारे में बात करते हुए यह बताया कि कैसे सेल टू राइज के प्रोफेशनल सहयोग एवं गाइडेंस से उन्होंने अपने आप को आगे बढ़ाया। इस वर्कशॉप के दौरान एक पैनल डिस्कशन भी हुआ। इसके प्रतिभागी श्रीमती गुंजन चटर्जी एवं श्रीमती आरती अयंगर ने करियर क्रॉस रोड्स के बारे में अपने अपने विचार सामने रखे। मोनिका ने पावर ऑफ आई यापसाइड के बारे में बात करते हुए बताया कि आपकी असली ताकत आपके भीतर ही छिपी है। एकता ने पावर ऑफ येट के बारे में बात करते हुए बताया कि जो भी काम आप अब तक नहीं कर पा रहे हैं वो अब कर सकते हैं। सिर्फ आपके अंदर जज्बा और स्वयं पर भरोसा होना चाहिए। वर्कशॉप में मदरहुड क्लब द्वारा प्रकाशित 3 किताबें उम्मीदों का इंद्रधनुष, स्टोरी जंक्शन एवं कहानी जंक्शन भी प्रदर्शित की गईं। वान्यास क्राफ्ट के गिफ्ट कार्ड सभी प्रतिभागियों को बहुत पसंद आए। नोएडा की चित्रकार श्रीमती स्मिता गुप्ता और श्रीमती एकता सहगल ने अपनी पेंटिंग्स की प्रदर्शनी भी लगाई। इन पेंटिंग्स को खूब सराहा गया। इसके साथ ही इला पचौरी द्वारा संचालित नेचर टोकरी के अचार, मठरी के सैंपल वितरित किए गए। इस वर्कशॉप के अंत में लंच के साथ इला पचौरी द्वारा बनाए गए केक की कटिंग करके कार्यक्रम का सफल समापन किया गया।
Hi, I'm Ekta. I'm the co-creator for Sail to Rise. Today we had a maiden workshop called The Power of I, where we spoke to women that the power lies with them and never say never. There is always scope to improve and always say that I can't do this yet. And that where gives you the power, accept your failures and go ahead. It was lovely to have about 20 women attending this workshop, sharing their experiences. So we all collectively learned, and truly this was a part of the IWT team also called Give to Gain. We hope that we are able to bring out much more better and interesting workshops going forward. And I'm grateful to my partner Monica. Together we were able to pull this off. Thank you so much, and thank you to HV Media for being here, supporting us for all our marketing and PR initiatives. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So today we had our first offline session on Power of I, which was co-curated by Ekta and I. I am amazed the way it went through. Around 20 participants joined, and we spoke about Power of I, we spoke about Power of Yet, we had our elevator pitch, we shared our experiences, and it was just a small attempt to create a safe space for all of them wherein they share, they experience, they learn, and they go back happily. And in case we can bring in a change in anyone's life a little bit from this little effort, I think our purpose is served. So looking forward to many more such like that. The series will continue. Thank you.
Sail to Rise, curated by Ekta and Monica. An amazing experience. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत यहाँ पर आके मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस भी आया है और मैं बहुत कुछ यहाँ से लेकर जा रही हूँ। इतने टैलेंटेड लोग हैं, इतने अच्छे अकम्पलिशमेंट वाले आज मेरे को लेडीज़ मिले हैं, और आज ये जो एक कहावत है कि औरत औरत की दुश्मन होती है, वो यहाँ पर आकर वो कहावत गलत हो जाती है, गलत साबित होती है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमने देखा व्हाट इज़ वुमेनहुड ऑल अबाउट. सो ऑल द बेस्ट टू सेल एंड राइज. थैंक यू.
Hello everyone. So I attended this meeting, this event, wherein we had lot of fun. We had lot of activities to perform, and every activity was actually was giving you something, some fun that probably you need, the encouragement, the motivation that has been needed in your life on a daily basis. I also met couple of people here, very fun loving, very encouraging. So I probably had a good time.
Hi, I'm Vaisha Mittal, and today I was invited by Monica for this the Power of I, and it was a fantastic event, and I feel very connected to it because I'm always believe in women empowerment and believe in Sail to Rise. So Sail to Rise is a great initiative, and I feel every lady should sail to rise and shine. Thank you.
Actually, the workshop was really good, and it was insightful as well. It brought back the memories, and it is. I think Ekta Monica has done a really fabulous job. So amazing experience, and I do keep. Even the Ila has done a really fabulous job, and she has started her own kitchen, and we are all motivated that we can become an entrepreneur. And thanks Ila, Monica, and Ekta. Thank you so much.
I think today's session, Power of I, was a very good session. There are people who want to think about themselves. It gave them the space to open up themselves, to open up their business opportunities. And I think the Ila, Ekta, and Monica, they have done a fabulous job. Well done to all three of them. Thank you.
आज बहुत अच्छा लगा. जैसे मैं घर में रहती हूँ, कभी बाहर नहीं निकलती हूँ, तो आज मैंने यहाँ आके बहुत कुछ सीखा. इतनी एम्पावर्ड लेडी से मिली हूँ. एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू एवरीवन. I had a really great time.
This is the first time I'm attending an event like this, so it was a lot of fun. I got to meet a lot of new people and learn a lot of new things and hear experiences that are usually something which are not shared that often, even on social media or otherwise. So it was very inspiring, and yeah, it was a very good experience overall. Thank you.
What an amazing experience to be in a room full of such resilient ladies, courageous ladies. Every story has been very inspiring. Every person that I've met here has been, something that I'm going to keep with me and learn from for a very long time. And Ekta, Monica, Ila, I don't know how to say this, but a huge pat on your backs for yourself and from me and from all the amazing ladies that were present here. Keep doing this, keep shining, keep raising, keep sailing, and I can't wait for you to bring more to the table, and I'll be there as always. Thank you.
Hi, the Sail to Rise event conducted by Monica and Ekta, I think it was wonderful. It was such a pleasure to meet women who have accomplished themselves and have been so courageous and have brought so many good and bright changes in so many lives besides being their own selves. And kudos to Monica and Ekta to conduct such a session which has motivated me to the next level. Thank you.
Full event, and we had a lot of takeaways here, and it has been after such a long time that we actually introspected ourselves and delved deep into ourselves and just again looked at this question again, that who we are. Wonderful session, and we look forward to more such sessions in future. Thank you.
So आज का जो ये इवेंट था सेल टू राइज, एकता और मोनिका के द्वारा जो कोऑर्डिनेट किया गया, एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत और इंटरेस्टिंग इवेंट था. इतने सारे लोगों को मिलने का मौका मिला, उनके बारे में जानने का मिला, और आगे ज़िंदगी को कोई नए तरीके से नए रूप में ढालने के लिए हम क्या और कर सकते हैं. ये एक कुछ घंटों के अंदर बहुत ही अच्छा एक नया रास्ता देखा. So I look forward for such more events and to know more people and to learn more from them. Thank you, Ekta, and thank you, Monica, and thank you, everyone.